So in the previous video, in step 1, we decided that we will be coming to UK for education. So I showed you all the steps, all the 9 key reasons why UK. Well, now that you have decided why UK, I will be talking about which course to select and how for studying in UK. So the first and foremost step is know what your bachelor's is in. So whatever your graduation is in, align it with your interest and then shortlist a few keywords for course selection. For example, if you are interested in marketing, you have done BCom and you are interested in marketing or human resource or hospitality management or anything, any basic general management or accounts, finance. So these are the keywords that you need to jot it down. Note down at least 3 to 5 keywords and then Google it. And then you will come to know what our courses are available in the UK. For example, for marketing, there is MBA marketing, MBA, normal MBA with marketing as a core subject, then MBA with human resource as a core subject. There's general MBA, there's international business management, then there is MSc courses, tons of MSc courses, MSc marketing, MSc supply chain management, MSc finance, MSc accounting and finance, MSc construction management, MSc project management. There are so many courses, guys, you will be confused. So just match your keywords and find out 3 or 5 courses, shortlist 3 or 5 courses. So once you have picked and 3 to 5 courses, be generic, don't be very niche, don't go and select MSc construction project management. I don't think that course is good for you guys. If you have done architecture and you know AutoCAD, common sense, you know AutoCAD and you do a MSc construction project management here, I don't think it has good value. I'll tell my reasons later in the series. But in this step 2, when we are finding a course, it's better to go for MSc project management or MBA with project management rather than select construction project management. Because when you go for the third step in selecting the course, which is what will happen after your course. For example, you have selected MSc supply chain management, and every business, every field needs a supply chain planner, manager, supply chain analyst, demand forecaster, whatever. So there are a lot of job titles. So just put the job title in Indeed or Glassdoor.com, whatever, any other site also, but I prefer Indeed and Glassdoor. And you will get to know the average salary of a fresher, with no experience, just MSc supply chain management. You will find out a supply chain coordinator role, how much he is making, or logistics coordinator, whatever the money that the basic starting salary will be. So you will know that, okay, there is a good demand for this course and the starting salary will be in this range. So pick a course like that. Don't go very niche. Again, I repeat, guys, don't go very niche like construction project management, because if you see on Indeed, the construction project management will require 5 years of UK experience, most of them. So it's very tough to find a job. And then after finishing construction project management, you will be like, oh, I'm not able to find job, who will sponsor me? And those students are the ones who end up in care jobs and then go for tier 2 sponsorship via a care route. So your architecture, you did construction project management and you are doing a care home job. It's not bad, but that's not the route you planned. It's because you have to do it now. So make sure when you are selecting your postgraduate course, you are confident that you will be doing this course. So this is a very important research. Course selection is a very important step, and that is why it is at number 2. It is before university selection. So select the course, shortlist the course, and then do a little bit research on what is the demand. So if you don't know and if you're not able to find, just comment below your bachelor's, your interest, one interest, and I will be able to, I'll try to help you with the course selection. So your bachelor's, comment below your bachelor's, your interest, and what course are you planning. I'll tell you if it is in demand, it's a good course, or you should select something else. Okay, so in this step, we have done a course selection video. In the step 3, in my next video, I'll be talking about how to select a university. What are the key things to keep in mind in selecting a university? So stay tuned.